Hi everyone. Hello Libra, air sign. This is the reading for you, December weekly reading, and this is general, may or may not resonate to everyone. So take what resonate and leave the rest, guys. And energy could be vice versa. So let's see your messages and what's going on. Libra, air sign. What's going on? Libra. Yes. Some endings. Who? What's going on, Libra? I think for some there are some endings between you and your person. Ten of Swords in recent past, but then some communication. Your person maybe approached you through communication, but you stand by your power. You are very committed in this relationship. You are always there for your person, but something happened between both of you. For some there are endings, but what I'm seeing, definitely they are coming back. They are very passionate about you. I'm seeing two persons coming back towards you. One is past person and one is new person, because Knight of Wands, Knight of Pentacles and Knight of Swords. Definitely one person observing you secretly. I think they are your secret admirer, what I'm getting here. Yeah, past person is also coming back and they want to offer commitment. The Hierophant card is here. Your person could be Gemini also. Definitely there is love, but I think there is no emotional balance, what I am seeing here. But you stand by your power. Definitely this time you stand by your power and you are very grounded. I think in past there are some commitment issues between both of you guys. But now your person realize you both. Now they are coming back. But another new person also coming back to you. They are very, very passionate about you. They are rushing towards you. So one person coming back to you very slowly. One person, I think your new person coming back to you very passionately and they're rushing towards you very fast. But the past person, now they realize you both. Now they are coming back with sincere offer. And it is stability. Because they want to offer commitment. Okay. So take what resonate. Definitely two persons coming in your way. So you have to choose one. Definitely you have options, Libra. I think for some you are moving on from your past person. You decided because they did something to you. But somebody is coming towards you. It could be your new person. Knight of Wands. They are very, very passionate about you. But your past person realize your worth. Now they are coming back with sincere offer. So for some you both could be stubborn and very strong couple. So what I am seeing here, two persons coming towards you. You have to choose one. Past person coming back with a sincere offer and commitment, marriage proposals. Definitely they want to take this relationship to next level. For some, your new person is very committed to you. They want to marry you. They want to take this relationship to next level. So take what resonate and leave the rest. Your person could be a lot of fire energies here. Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, or Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, or Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, especially Gemini. So let's see your person current feelings and then near future actions towards you, Libra. Then we will get more clarity. What's going? See, Five of Cups. Separation. Yeah, your person feeling sad for the separation. Lot of cards. Feeling sad for the separation. Or their current feelings. Your person current feelings, Libra. Yeah, they have emotions for you. Yeah, now they are recognizing emotions for you. And Knight of Wands, definitely they are very, very passionate about you and there is a lot of passion involved. I think they are feeling very, very sad for the separation. Yeah, they have feelings for you. Definitely they are feeling sad for the separation. Yeah, they are coming back with sincere offer, and passion is also there. Your person could be Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, or Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Let's see the near future actions. Libra, your person near future actions towards you. Your person near future actions. Nine of Wands. Knight of Pentacles came in reverse. Okay. King of Pentacles. Ace of Cups. Yeah, there is love. I want one more card. Clarification for card for King of Pentacles. The Magician. Yeah. They are trying to manifesting you again back in their life. Definitely in past there is no stability in this connection. Even though your person having hard time to offer stability to this connection, because they are guarded, because they are growing to something in their life. Nine of Wands, but they won't give up on you. Definitely they will trying to manifesting you back in their life. And Ace of Cups, definitely love is coming towards you. They want to offer this love to you. Libra, for some your person maybe cheated on you or lied to you in past, because the Magician is a manipulator playing games. Definitely some energy, that's why they are holding back. Even though they have feelings for you, they are not coming towards you. That's why they are in very slow moving energy. The past person, definitely they are recognizing the feelings for you, and they are coming back, but they are in very slow moving energy. But another person rushing towards you, new person. So it's up to you which person you have to choose. I'm seeing two persons. For some it could be your past person. Yeah, they are suffering in silence. They have so much love for you. Definitely there is love, and but they're scared to take action towards you due to what they did to you in past. Okay, they King of, yeah, they're scared because they guarded up. They don't know how to you respond to them. Okay, that is the situation what I'm seeing here, but love is there. Yeah, so your person could be Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, or Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. Let's see, let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed in near future. Libra, lot of cards I'm not taking. Mutual outcome, mutual energies. Princess of Swords, one card is see, Five of Pentacles, one card fell down. So yeah, yeah, I think someone is guarded in this connection. It could be you or your person. So take what resonate. Energy could be vice versa. Definitely there is separation still going on. I think your person's scared to take action towards you, and they are suffering in silence. Five of Pentacles and Princess of Swords, definitely some spying, some communication. They want to message you, and they may be spying on your social media. They want to test the waters. And Five of Pentacles, definitely your person feeling sad for the separation, but you are now very super balanced, Libra. You stand by your power. Definitely you guarded up. I think your person feeling that you guarded up, and they are thinking that how you will respond to them. Okay, if they approach you, you maybe reject to them. That is the thinking, that is they are thinking right now. I think patience is the key. What I'm seeing here right now, I'm seeing some spying. Okay, I think in divine timing your person may be coming towards you. I am not seeing it is go anywhere, because your person suffering, you guarded up. Okay, you person, but one thing is sure, definitely your person have love. Definitely Ace of Cups and King of Cups, they have love for you. They have emotions. Definitely they are coming back, but very slow moving energy. And your person is also coming towards you. So I think You are taking your time. You want your space, Libra. You are guarded up right now. Okay, you are not available to them emotionally, but they are spying on you on social media. Spying is going between both of you. So your person could be Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, especially Sagittarius, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. So your overall energy for the week, Libra, Hermit, Five of Swords. Yeah, separation. I think you are choosing to move on from this person. Some cycles are going to be ended between both of you. I already told you in the starting of reading, definitely some cycles are going to be end. And yeah, because your person did something to you, backstabbing, and your Hermit, excuse me, 1 minute. Sorry for the disturbance. Okay, the Hermit is here. I think you are isolated from your person, from all, and you are undergoing some healing process. Yeah, I think you decided to move on from your person, definitely. But love is there. Even though you have feelings for you want to heal from this. Okay, you want to move on. So take what resonate. So let's see your person overall energy for the week. 7 of Cups, Knight of Pentacles, Princess of Cups, Hermit. I think your person also not talking to you. Definitely there is no contact between both of you. Your person has strong emotions. Definitely they are coming back with sincere offer. And 7 of Cups, they are fantasizing about you a lot. There is some confusion also, your person, because they don't know how to approach you. They don't know how to make action towards you. Okay, there is some confusion also. Your person could be Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, and Knight of Pentacles means Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, or Virgo especially, or Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, or Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. So it's I think for some you are moving on from your past person, but someone new is coming towards you. So it's up to you. Definitely they are coming back. So this is the reading for you, Libra. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like, and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notification. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Bye.